How's it, guys? It's Chris here, and we're just taking another look at general solutions. But I've got my friend Timothy, who is so keen to help us. So Timothy, welcome up, bro. Yeah, no, thanks, hey Chris. The name's actually Timo, not Timothy, but thanks anyway. Yeah, no, so a lot of maths is just about doing lots of reps, lots of sets, just making some big gains by that kind of thing. And so what I want to do with the next couple of videos is just to not worry about doing the whole question, but just diving into the first step or two, because if you know how to start, you have got yourself sorted. You are a boss. The rest is just, I wouldn't say immaterial, but it's just routine. You just got to be careful. No carelessness. You don't drop the bar on yourself. And so just to start these first couple of questions, and we'll dive straight in there, Chris. So for the first question, all you want to do is see, I've got a sine, a cos, I've got the same angle, totally chilled. I'm going to take that cos across. When I see that it's got the same angle, that's a standard question where you want to divide both sides by cos, and that will take it to the next level. And you can do that. You divide both by cos, and what you've got when you've done that, my buddy, is you've got tan, and that just cancels. You've got 2, and then I'm not going to go into too much details, but Chris, for you and the listeners, just the basics of starting general solution is you want to tick the quadrants. So where's tan positive? So those 2 quadrants where it's all and tan, and what is a reference angle? And so you're going to just shift tan 2, get your reference angle, you're good to go. How do I start the next question? So let's look at question 2. So I've got a sine and a cos, but I've got different angles. And so what do I do with a beast like this? I just clap it with another little trick there. So what I say is, okay, when I've got different angles, all I'm going to do to get out of this challenge, not that it's really a challenge there, but anyway, is to co-ratio. And so I'm going to change cos 2x to sine 90 minus 2x. And what that's done is it's brought you right back to the beginning, where you're going to tick the quadrants. So where is sine positive? First 2 quadrants. What's the reference angle? The reference angle in this case, Chris, is just going to be when I've got the same function sines, the reference angle is the right-hand side. So that's just 90 minus 2x. So you can look at another video that I've done on this. It's just giving you the basics of what to do in different kind of scenarios. But this was just getting you going. And then just to finish the last one, what you can do is when you see this type of question, it's kind of laid out for you like a trinomial. And so you're going to make some big gains here. You're just going to factorize like a normal trinomial. If you feel intimidated, not that I do, but if you feel intimidated, you can make cos x equal k. So let's see what we've got here. When you factorize this, we've got cos equals negative a quarter, or cos equals a half. And then you can just dive in. You can tick the quadrants again. Where's cos negative? So bang, bang. Look at where cos is negative. Get your reference angle by shift cos. I personally do it without the negative, just to have a cute, like a really stunning looking reference angle. And you can do the same here. And this, it would be a totally different question. You'd be saying where's cos positive? So those 2 quadrants this time, and same thing, shift cos a half to get the reference angle. And you are clean. You are good to go there, my butt. And so that's how you start a general solution question. Chris, I hope that was helpful for you and your listeners. And enjoy the next couple that I'm going to be doing. Thanks so much, Timo. Really appreciate it. Just a life lesson for our listeners.